We'll guide you through how to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram, and at the moment I'm using a professional account. Whether you're currently using a creator or business professional account, it doesn't matter. Now you want to go and switch back to a personal account for whatever reason. Personally, I prefer going and having a personal account. Make sure it's full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So without any further ado, let's go and get started. So what you want to do is come to your profile first of all. So press your profile icon in the bottom right to get here. Now, what we need to do is we need to come to the top right and you want to go and find the three bars and go and tap there. This opens up settings and activity, as you can see. Now, what we need to do is you need to come down settings and activity into the section for professionals. In here, you're going to go and find the option for account type and tools, and you want to go and tap there. Then at the top, you can go and see account type. As you can see at the moment, it's set to professional. So what we can do is go and tap there. Now it's going to go and say once again as professional. Just below it though, very small, it says switch account type in that text. So you can tap there and you can switch to a creator, but we're going to switch to a personal account. Confirm the decision. You're going to go and lose access to these different things. Make sure you're sure, press switch, and now go and wait. It shouldn't go and take too long. You're going to know that it goes incomplete as you get taken back to the settings. As you can see, it says switch to personal account, and that's it. Successful.